Italy is one of the most beautiful countries in the world with a rich history, culture, and stunning landscapes. Today, we're going to talk about two unique opportunities that will allow you to gain Italian citizenship. Hello and welcome, everyone. My name is Irena. I'm an assistant operations manager in Nomad Capitalist, the host of #1 offshore annual event that this year will take place in Kuala Lumpur in September. We certainly hope to see you there. Like I mentioned before, today we're going to talk about two unique opportunities that allow you to gain Italian citizenship. By becoming an Italian citizen, you can enjoy benefits like free healthcare, education, and of course access to travel around all other Schengen zone countries with an Italian passport. And among many others, you can take advantage of tax benefits and investment opportunities that are not available to non-citizens. And it allows dual citizenship, which means that you can keep your second passport. There are two main ways to obtain Italian citizenship. The first one is through citizenship by descent or through naturalization. Let's touch base on citizenship by descent first. Citizenship by descent is available to those who have Italian ancestors. This means that if you have Italian parents, grandparents, or even great-grandparents who were born in Italy and have not renounced their Italian citizenship at the time of your birth, you may be eligible to apply for it. You would, of course, have to prove a connection to your Italian ancestor with valid documents, such as, for example, their certificates of birth, death, and marriage certificate, and of course documents that show your relationship to him or her, such as your birth certificate, adoption papers, or other legal documents. On the plus side, your children will automatically be part of your application at no additional cost, and they will become Italian citizens when you are granted Italian citizenship as well. It may seem simple at first, but you have to be aware of the generation limit and look for the best ancestral tie. For example, those with ancestors who were born in Italy but migrated abroad as minors or were naturalized in another country before July 1992 may not qualify, since before that date, Italy did not allow dual citizenship. Also, generally, women were not able to pass citizenship to their children before 1948. So if your female ancestor gave birth before that date, you may need to enforce your right to citizenship at a court in Italy and not in a traditional way. There are many more details to consider, and the required documents may vary depending on the consulate or embassy you're working with and on your, of course, individual circumstances, so the process can take anywhere from a few months to approximately 2 to 3 years to complete. The reason why, and something that we at Nomad Capitalist can see very often, is that the Italian embassies are overpacked. If you want to submit your application now, you will have to wait for the first available appointment at the embassy, which is usually in 2025. Now, on the other side, if you do not have Italian ancestry, you can still obtain Italian citizenship through naturalization. To qualify for naturalization, you must maintain legal residency in Italy for 10 years in most cases. However, if you're married to an Italian citizen, the residency requirement is reduced to 3 years. You must also demonstrate knowledge of the Italian language and culture, as well as good character. Many people are interested in obtaining Italian citizenship through naturalization through Golden Visa program, how they call it in Italy, Dolce Visa program. This program grants a renewable residence permit to non-EU citizens who invest in Italy. The investment options range from a minimum of 250,000 euros in an innovative startup to 2 million euros in an Italian government bond. This visa is valid for 2 years. After it is first issued, it can be renewed for 3 more years, and after 5 years of temporary residency, applicants can become permanent residents in Italy. There aren't any Italian language tests or physical presence requirements, and you can enjoy almost all the benefits of being a citizen of Italy while you gather the requirements to get your Italian passport in time. Some other requirements to get a golden visa are, for example, proof of income from the previous financial year, proof of suitable accommodation in Italy for the main applicant and any family members that you're bringing with you, proof of funds to support the investment, and of course, non-criminal report, among others. Regarding family members, spouses or children under the age of 18 of a golden visa holder can obtain a residency permit in many ways, but the easiest is to apply for a family visa at the Italian consulate or embassy in their country of residency and then obtain a residence permit upon arrival to Italy with the main applicant. Here at Nomad Capitalist, we have a special department that specializes in citizenship by descent applications, and we can help you navigate through all the necessary documentation you need to obtain Italian citizenship by descent, which can be quite overwhelming sometimes. In case you do not have an Italian ancestor, but you are still interested in getting Italian citizenship, we can create a holistic strategy that fits your specific needs and includes the diversification and protection of your assets. If you have any questions, or you might want to discuss the eligibility for Italian citizenship, please go to our website and get in touch with us. We're waiting for you.